Hello guys, this is the trader, and in this video I will show you my trade recap, the trades I took today and won actually. So what happened on the market today was that with this 15-minute time frame candle we disrespected this fair value gap. Also on daily candle, we had these bearish candles here. We took this low and I thought price will take this low too. So I moved it to 4 hour time frame. I marked some of the PDRAs, but none of them was here, so I did not look for it. I went into 1 hour time frame. We had no PDRAs that has to be disrespected, so only PDRA I used on high time frame was the 15-minute time frame. So as I saw price disrespect this favorable gap, I knew that with this big candle, this favorable gap cannot be respected. This PPR cannot be respected. So as soon as we disrespected this favorable gap and we made this big bearish candle, I moved into 1 minute time frame. I moved into 1 minute time frame with this bullish up closing candle. Uh, we made order block here, and after the big displacement, price tapped into this order block, and I just entered here, like half of this here. Like I have put my stop loss here, like three R. Like this. I had three like this. From this, I put my stop loss to this highs candle's body. This candle's body's high. So I entered here. I put my stop loss here. I put my first take profit to this Asian lows, and second take profit to this Never PM lows. I could have put another take profit to these lows, but I was not greedy. I made $600 from this trade. Really good trade, really understandable. Actually, I'm on my winning days. I have not lost 5 trades, 4 in a row. I'm on my win streak right now. Really simple trade. I'm using this strategy. I'm using this ICD strategy, and ICD strategy is the best. None of them can beat ICD strategy. This is how market works. This is how market works. Well, this is for today, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.